Hey guys, my name is Warren Cargill. I'm an acupuncturist and clinic director here at Acupuncture Atlanta. Today I'd like to share with you some information about one of our popular products by the name of Kavinace Ultra PM. Kavinace Ultra PM is made by NeuroScience and it's for sleeping. So before we get into the specifics of Kavinace, there are a number of things that can dysregulate your sleep. For example, if you've had a stressful day, it may be difficult for you to get to sleep at night. However, like if you have ongoing stress, where your cortisol or your adrenals is high, that can also cause sleep dysregulation. It just means that the hippocampus, where the cortisol receptor sites, or they get overstimulated and they just don't, it's just difficult to get to sleep. So another thing that can cause a sleep dysregulation would be, eating late at night, which most of us try to avoid. But like if there's a chronic pain, or if there's some sort of chronic disease conditions, that can also dysregulate your sleep. How that occurs is it's just that continual output of cortisol, which again kind of makes it difficult to reset the circadian rhythm. So the circadian rhythm is that rhythm within our body where in the morning the output is really high, you feel a lot of energy, and as we begin to go through the day, the output begins to diminish, where in the evening time is kind of low and we would normally be able to get to sleep. Okay, that's things that would cause sleep dysregulation. Kavinace Ultra PM has some Griffonia seed in it, which is a high source of 5-HTP. 5-HTP is used for serotonin, which is a relaxing, calming neurotransmitters. It also contains GABA, a form of GABA, and GABA is again kind of a calming neurotransmitter, which is specifically, if there's anxiety, it can be, can disrupt the sleep. If there's low GABA, it can cause, like I said, anxiety. It can also cause loss of concentration, those kind of things. So those are the main neurotransmitter ingredients in the product. The other really interesting product is it has melatonin. Now, here in the clinic, when I tell people we're going to give them some melatonin, their first response is, hey, I've tried that and that doesn't work. But the issue is there's quite a bit of research out that as we age, your melatonin output drops. And melatonin, in addition to resetting the circadian rhythm, trying to normalize that circadian rhythm, it's also a very powerful antioxidant. And so in the context, if there's inflammations going on in the body, there's that decision the body makes about prioritizing it. So it can use the melatonin to quench the free radical generation in there, and then you can get low melatonin output, and then you can see that your sleeping will be dysregulated. There's a lot of clinical data that says, as we age, melatonin gets low. That could be because the production is diminishing. It also could be because there's a lot of data that supports the age-related diseases. As we age, there's more prevalence of age-related diseases. Age-related diseases are cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, neurodegenerative diseases. Okay, so as we begin to kind of wrap this together, we have the GABA, we have the 5-HTP, and we have a dosing of the melatonin. We get really good results with this product here in the clinic. The dosing would be one cap in the evening, and it's a fairly simple product to try, and you should know something fairly quickly if this is a product that's good for you. Okay, thanks for listening. If you have other questions, you can chat in with us, you can call us, or you can email us. Thanks.